Hi there, this is Steve and Peg from Loves to Travel, and we have just arrived at the Marriott Imperial Palms, and we want to show you a room tour of our room. We are traveling in the coronavirus pandemic era. I asked the front desk, what is the occupancy today? This is July, mid-July, and which is probably one of their better seasons because school kids should be here. They are at 30%. Which is not that great for the summer if you think about it. So we are here at Marriott Imperial Palms, and it is a 3-bedroom tour. So what you do is when you first walk in, you have the kitchen to your right. It has been renovated. The flooring is actually really nice. It's got tile, hexagon flooring. And when you first walk in to your left, you actually have 2 bedrooms. So this actually can sleep 2 in here. It's got 2 twin-size beds, the first bedroom. It's got 2 twin-size beds. It does have its own TV. And when we first came in, we actually walked through and basically wiped down all the handles. They probably did do a thorough cleaning, but we just wanted to make sure, so we wiped down the handles of everything that we touched, the light switches. We actually, for us to avoid elevators and more touch points, we asked for a first floor unit. So we are on the first floor. Inside here, there is actually a closet. And then you go out into the hallway. You have to the very right a full-size washer and dryer. And if you do want to clean, there is a vacuum cleaner, ironing board. And I do like the fact they actually do give you a toilet plunger. A lot of places do not. This is a timeshare unit. And they actually give you a full laundry basket plus 2 laundry soaps. Going from there, you go into the bathroom. The bathroom has a dual vanity, and it does connect into the other bedroom. So this could be a private entrance to the other bedroom for the bathroom. Mirror, toilet. And then it does have grab bars inside the shower, bathroom, for the bathroom, bathtub. And inside the cabinet, there are extra towels and toilet paper. There's the extra towels, hair dryer, and they give you extra towels here. And this one, like I said, connects into the other bedroom. So that's going there. So this one actually has a queen size bed, and it has a sofa with it. So you have a queen size bed and a sofa. So technically you can sleep 4 in here. It does also have its own TV, dressers, and its own closet. And it does have extra blankets. And let's go into the main room. So now you have the kitchen area, which actually has been renovated. It has a subway tile in the back. Quartz, I think these are quartz countertops. Undermount sink, pull down faucet. It's done really well. It's been updated. The cabinets were basically repainted. And they did new hardware, new appliances. And they did actually give you a coffee maker, refrigerator. And it does come with all the normal utensils. Right there. And they do give you coffee. There is a toaster, cutting board. And underneath here, they do give you more trash bags, dishwasher soap. And here you can see we already used the trash because we've already cleaned and wiped everything down. Frying pans, and my favorite, the non-stick skillet. That was always my big gripe on units. The fact that making eggs was always tough to clean, even cooking bacon or anything. And they did provide a non-stick skillet. And oh wow, there is even a stock pot. Usually we don't usually find those in here, but I guess because of the size. There's nothing in this one. Nothing in that one. Here's the silverware. So you have all the silverware. And you have platters for cooking, for dishing out. More drawers. And storage containers. Colander, blender, more storage containers. Bowls, cups, plates, knife block, dishes, glasses, wine glasses, tumblers. And now we go into the dining area. The dining area actually sits 8 here and 4 at the counter. So you basically can sit 12. And then in here, you could probably sleep 2 more people in here. Because this is probably a sofa bed, let me check. Yes, this is a sofa bed. Larger TV. And that's going to the master bedroom. The master bedroom does have a king size bed. TV. This actually does go into the enclosed patio. Like I said, we are on the first floor. Desk area. Jacuzzi. Double sinks. And in here, there is a safe and extra blankets. And in the master bathroom, there is a shower. Let's turn it off. There's a toilet and a bidet. That is something you really do not see in a lot of rooms. So just to recap, this is the Marriott Imperial Palms. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Please hit the bell notification button to notify our videos, and hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you very much for watching.